Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. And we all remember Lucas. Today we're going to do our last snack crate. We've had this for what, like 2 weeks? Yeah. And we've been just so busy and keep forgetting about it. So we discontinued Snack Box because it was coming way too late. I think we got, what, 6 boxes? And 2 of them were really messed up. And when I messaged them, they're like, well, you need to tell us this, this, and this. And it's like, you guys packed the box. You guys know what you put in the box. Why am I the one that has to sit there and show you what you put in your box? You should know. So anyway, this again came super late. It didn't ship until September September. Because we're in October. And this is August's box because we canceled for September. So anyway, we got the Netherlands. I'm actually kind of excited about that. That's where my grandma was from. I actually have the tulip on my chest because my grandmother was from Holland. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Are we going to look or are we just going to pull things out again? Put the lid back up. Okay, so, ready? Pull. You get to pull the first one out. Yeah. On average, Dutch men are the tallest people in the world. Yep.
I can tell already there's chips. You know, chips first.
Sure, just pick something up. We're a little under the weather today, so.
Crocky.
What are they? Crocky. Bolognese flavored. Ooh. There is absolutely no English on this. That is absolutely crazy, and I don't know a word of Dutch. If there's energy, that's the only word I can tell on here. That is...
I assume it's tomato and onion.
Yes. Bolognese is like tomato and onion, and it's like in a sauce. It's 40 grams. Okay. Those are good. It's like a smoky...
Yeah, it's like smoky bacon.
Mm-hmm.
Smoky bacon chips.
Okay. So, easily a win. Okay. I'm going to try to go through... I have to get under the wrapping paper. I want to go to the bottom. Holland Foods. And it's got 2 little kids kissing. Aww. I kind of wish Mom was here.
What is it? I don't even know what that is.
We have a Dutch store here now in a little small town. It's cinnamon.
What is it?
I don't know.
Cinnamon stick? Can you break it off? Oh my. What is it? It's scaring me.
You won't like it.
Oh, okay. Take your word for it.
Kind of tastes like...
Cinnamon hearts.
Well, yeah. And then kind of...
So it's definitely cinnamon hearts. I don't know if it's a bread or...
It's like a cotton candy bread. Like it melts in your mouth. It's like a biscuit.
Yeah, it does melt in your mouth a bit. It's really weird. It's really cool, but...
It's really good. Okay, that one's mine.
More chips. Hey.
Lay's! This is like a staple in our house. We do like Lay's.
I'm assuming they're just plain Lay's.
Yeah, I'm not looking at the second paper until we have to. Those are really good.
Nope, they're mustard. Mustard Lay's.
Yep. They're mustard fries, yep. Those aren't bad though, considering we both don't like mustard. Those aren't bad.
If I was starving on the island, I would eat them. I admit that.
Fruitella! We all know what these are. So they have apple, raspberry, pineapple, and grape. The Dutch are the largest consumer of licorice, eating over 70 million pounds every year. Okay, so one of my boys, his dad is Dutch, and his grandfather is right from Holland. He lives here in Canada now. And Brady, Dave, and his dad, Dave's dad, all eat that black licorice, the salted drupes. They all love it. I don't like it. That's why I'm not fully Dutch. Oh no. Those are definitely, this one's actually better than the last ones we got. Save the pineapple ones for Paige. Oh, your turn.
Yeah, they're good. They've got a little bit less fake flavor. Whatever these are.
Catcha? It's even got a cat on it. Oh, it's those like licorice. Not licorice, but
It says here to open, but I don't see. You may know.
I don't know if anyone heard that. I don't trust you.
I don't trust me either.
Come on, I'm hungry. I love these. We used to have these as kids.
You did?
Yeah, they are long strips. I've seen these at the Dutch store here in town. They're sour. They're veggie. They're like fruit roll-ups, I guess you would say. Okay. I like those.
Just a gum.
No. I'm just gonna hold it. So these are Strooper waffles. They're waffles with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. So, I get these for my mom every year. You should know that, right? Yeah, these are one of my mom's favorite treats. And I knew that they were going to be in here, so that's why I got really excited for the dish. And they'll be one of your favorite things because you love your pancakes and waffles and how.
Whoa. That is tough.
So the audio tape, the videotape, and the CD were all invented by Eden Hoven by the Dutch company Philips. I didn't know Philips was Dutch. You learn something new every day.
Yeah. Those are good.
Ah, we got the Jujubes!
These are. You seem to know what they're.
There's salted black licorice. What I was just talking about. We're not opening them because we both don't like the black licorice.
Yeah, I think I've had them before.
But I am going to gift them to my son and his dad because they absolutely love them and they love getting these. So I'll just save them for them. I knew they were going to be in there because they are such a staple in Holland.
Super insane black licorice.
Mm-hmm. I have no idea what this is though. 5 Licorice. Autumn Specialist. Since 1883. It looks like a bread, like a what is that? Really dry. I want to say mallet. Melba toast. You know what Melba toast is?
No. You seem to be well educated on this box.
Did you miss the whole fact that I said?
Yeah.
I lived above a Dutch store too for many years, and
Good.
it's like a banana bread. Maybe like a zucchini. It's like, okay.
Does it have a really nasty aftertaste? Or?
Oh, yep. Alright, maybe I don't like that one.
I haven't caught it yet, whatever it is.
Oh, you get to pick. There are more bikes, over 18 million in the Netherlands, than there are people.
Waterways. It's paprika.
Ooh, I like paprika. Known globally as the flower shop of the world, more than 75% of the world's flower bulbs come from Netherlands each. Those are tasty.
I'm surprised you like them. They seem kind of tomatoey, don't they?
No, they're still good. My Windmill Cookies. I love these cookies. My granite used to have them all the time. I'm pretty sure. I like the ones with the walnuts. I know where you can get these in theirs, and yeah, that's where I usually buy mine, because up until this summer, you couldn't get Windmill Cookies here in town.
King broken.
Actually, no. That's a lie. Our food lane does have them. They're like a ginger snap. Usually they have sulcus of almonds in them.
Yeah, that's good. It's cookie.
Oh, yeah. I know it's good.
Just take it all. That's right. It's your pick.
Alright, your pick now?
That's my pick. Is that it? Is that everything?
No, there's more in there. Way more.
I think you're a liar. I think this is what we got left. Do you know what these are? 'Cause I don't know. It's toffee. Maybe I was supposed to stop on that.
A noted coffee flavor lover. These coffee candies have been made since the late 1700s. Fruit flavored sour gummy ribbons. Those are freaking awesome. The chips, which we'll eat tonight. Oh, it's a gingerbread. That's why it's got that weird aftertaste. So the canola stock is a classic Dutch snack that is often, this cinnamon flavored treat is often sold at street fairs and carnivals. So what was your favorite item from the box?
I don't know. I don't think anything really wowed me. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I don't want to be your hero anymore.
Ouch. I don't know. I think these things were really good.
Yeah, those are really good. This and the cookie, because I love those cookies. I absolutely adore them. These are Dutch spice. They have like little almond slivers in them, and those are some of my favorite cookies. I don't tell a whole lot of people that, but I guess I just told the world now. These are such a nice treat once in a while. Like I said, here at the grocery store, they do sell like a pack of them, and I know I got them from Mom for Christmas. I thought you might have remembered that, but no.
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 Just goes in now.
No, doesn't land in between. So the capital of the Netherlands is Amsterdam, and it was established January 30th, 1648. Population is 17 million. Square area is 16,000 square miles. So one of the most interesting things. So this little part here is, I think, where my grandmother and them came from.
I'm not sure that.
I think right there. Thinking of Auntie, you know, she would have loved this box. She would have been awesome to have her here. I guess there's like in Holland, from what I've been told by multiple people, they all speak Dutch, but the lower part speaks a different dialect, and I guess that's where my grandparents, where my grandmother and my great grandmother and grandfather lived, and all my great aunts and uncles, and that's where they came from. And yeah, so yeah, I do know a little bit about Holland. Not as much about Germany, where my grandfather came from, but I do know a little bit about Holland. So I'm really glad that we got this box. I think this is one of the best boxes that we had gotten, because we've liked so much of it. We only didn't try one thing, and it's just because those are salted rupees. If you don't like black licorice, you will not like the salted one thing. It's like, I know, I tried them once and I was like, yeah, no, never again.
Black licorice taken to an extreme.
Very much so. This though is a gingerbread, and that's what that tastes as afterwards. I usually can handle it, but that one's a little in your face. Yeah, I don't really see us having much left over. I'm taking these towards out tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I know that we certainly like doing them. I think we're looking at replacing this box with another box, something that's a little more Canadian maybe. So we're on the hunt for that one still. We haven't really settled down and sat down and talked about it a whole lot lately, with me starting new jobs and the little terror toddler running around here. It's been hard, so I think maybe we can figure that out tonight. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and if you guys could, please make sure you like this video, share it, and make sure you're subscribed.